In this video, I'm going to show you how to put apps on desktop on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you created or installed an application on your Windows and the app shortcut was not added to your Windows desktop, you can easily put this app on your desktop manually. So if you are done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to put apps on desktop on Windows 11 or Windows 10, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you install the application on your Windows computer. Once the application is installed on your Windows, then you can check the option to add shortcut or follow the steps here. Click on the start button on your Windows like this. Then click on all apps here. This is on Windows 11. Click on all apps. Then once it's selected, I should see all the application you have on your Windows 11 computer, just like this. Now, to put any of this application on desktop on your window, all you just need to do is this. Click on it and then drag the application like this and then drag it to the desktop. Then the whole apps page will close. Repeat the process again for another application you want to add to your desktop computer. So let's say I want to add the media application again or the Microsoft Office. Just click on it and then drag like this. This is going to move the app shortcut to your Windows desktop. Then let's go. There you go. So you see the application shortcut on the Windows. Then if you click on this application just like this, then you should see the Microsoft Office opened. Then if I go ahead again to click on the Maps application we put on desktop, then this is what you're going to see. So this is how you can easily put apps on desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.